How to use Expedia car rental feature. To use the Expedia car rental feature, first of all, you have to launch the Expedia application on your device and log into your account. Once you have logged in, now all you have to do is within this top navigation bar, make sure to select the car option. Now tap on this pickup section and type in your pickup location, and then tap on this drop off option to type in your destinations. You can also select your date from here as well as set your pickup time and also drop off time. Now tap on the search button to search for a rental car. From here, you should be able to find a long curated details. You simply have to select any of these options that you like. And once you tap the card, you simply have to tap on this reserve on the bottom right corner to reserve the card. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.